Hi, I'm back. So today I'll be unboxing the helmet that I've got for Ladakh ride. So let's get started. Hey, coming to the helmet, this is LS2 Storm 3. Yeah, I did a lot of research and I wanted a helmet that has less wind noise and better thermals, like proper ventilation. This comes with dual vents, and I did go through few reviews. Like, this wasn't available in India yet, so I had been waiting for this. So finally got my hands on, and I especially wanted this matte black actually. So I had to roam around and finally get this. So yeah, so here are the two vents that I was talking about, and it also comes with pin lock 70, which is in the box already. And the other thing about this Storm 3 is that in Storm 2 you didn't have this locking mechanism. Now it comes with a locking mechanism as well, and 3 levels of visor adjustment, and also it comes with a double D-ring for locking mechanism, and has a quick release in case of emergencies, and it is LS2 intercom compatible as well. So yeah, and also another thing about this is it also comes with a built-in sun visor, so it can be used this way. So yes, this is all it, and I'll be putting up a full review once I use this for some of the rides. And yep, until then, stay tuned.